So, hello everyone. So, we're gonna be completing some of the tasks given by our professor. So, it is about the Linux environment, and right now I will be showing which kind of things we will be solving. For example, the first one, I should first download a file from the internet, multiple files that has an image and also file. And here is the example how to download. We use widget command to download the file PDF, and I have ready. Well, let's for right now I am on like Ubuntu environment. Let's clear my commands, and first before downloading a PDF, I will be first showing like is my folder really empty. Here, if you write Korean grammar in use, no, there is no any file named under that name, so it's basically empty. There is no other files inside it. So let's go to VirtualBox now, and I already have a file to download, which is Korean grammar in use. It has like 344 pages, and yeah, let's try to download it. First, we'll be copying the link and then going to terminal, and we will write there widget then the link. I got paste. Now it's starting to download, and it's about to download. It takes some time, so let's see what output we will get. So I have my recording going on of the screen, and I hope my microphone is working well. So it is 69% already downloaded. So let's see. It is almost there. Now done. We can now our exercise is done. I think I have to go to notes to see whether I completed it. Good. So I downloaded it. So then first step is basically done. The second step is navigate to where the file was with the command ll. So we will basically type ll, and we will get the path for the Korean grammar in user beginner in use. Here we have Korean grammar.pdf. So I can also show it here. It is also in my documents folder, and yeah, the second one is also done. So step 3, delete the downloaded file. So I basically need to download remove the file. I will copy the name. Let's clear our terminal a little bit to look. So to delete file, we'll basically type the name of the file and done. If we now check our computer, now there is no any file named Korean grammar in use beginner. Let's check also the folder as a proof. So now there is no any file named Korean grammar in use. Now the third one also done. Done. Now the fourth step, create a new user, option based on permission level. Create a new user using an add user command, sudo add user new student. I already created a user. I already added a user, new user, which is new student, and I can show it to you with running the su command. So let's dive in. Su. Right now you can see like I'm on user Feruzbek. Now if I write new student, it will basically ask my password for that. I will write the password. Now it's on new student, as you can see. Oh my god. I'm about to drag here like in the App Store. I'm at Ubuntu Store. So here it is on new student. I already created, and this one is also basically done. So the fifth step is create a folder for the new user. Create a new directory in the user's home directory. I basically don't have permission. I don't know why. So that's why I could do it with my another user, which is Feruzbek. So let's try first, like touch new .txt. As you can see, cannot touch next permission denied. It is permission denied. That's why it was optional, and I will complete the fifth step on my original user. So let's see. Su Feruzbek, name of the user. So I will basically write my password. Now, voila, it is in Feruzbek folder. Feruzbek user, I meant. So the next part is I should make a directory called my new folder. Let's make there. As a proof, I don't have any folder named new folder. No, I don't have. Let's again check the name of the folder. Let's check my new folder. Let's check my new folder. My new folder. We did. Now we can check it again. So if we check my new folder, we have here my new folder. It has like 0 sync inside it. So we will basically done with the step 5. So the next one is 6. Create a file and save it. New text file in the newly created folder using the nano or touch command. First we should get actually the path of the new folder where it's located. Based on that we can create, so we'll basically copy that, Control -L. Oh my god, think I did it wrong. Oh my god. Control dash L. Copy. Now, if I touch step 1A, step first, I should create my folder, my file.txt. Let's dive in. Touch the name of the folder and new file .txt. Now we have new file, as we can see here, new file.txt inside our my new folder. So now we will basically need to write something inside it. So some inside it, or simply use touch to create empty file. Nano my student new folder. I will write inside a file with vim command. It is also text editor. So new file. We should not make any spelling mistakes. .txt. So now on insert mode, Assalamu alaikum. Really nice day, isn't it? Isn't it? And with the smiley face on the last part, we will basically exit with by saving W, running the column WQ command. Now, yeah, if we check out our folder, we'll check it out. To prove, like, did we really create a file with the new folder, and my file.txt here. Assalamu alaikum. Really nice day, isn't it? Here, and we done with step 6. Step 6 completed. So now we are asked to see the contents of my folder on a command line. ls my new folder. Here we can see inside of my new folder there is a file, new file.txt, and which means I'm done with this one also. It ran perfectly, and for the extra point, it's optional. Change the permission of the created file using the command gmod, and explains the new permissions. So we will do this in some minute because I have to check it out. I forgot to check this out, so let's get into it in some seconds. So running the last command, which is chmod 644, I meant my new folder, my file.txt. Let's run this command on the terminal. Chmod 644, my folder, new folder. txt. Now it is success. What this do is actually I will show it like on a screenshot I have, based on a screenshot. So let me first find it. So here is the screenshot. So based on the checking from the Google, 644 in octal notation corresponds to actually like from the permission user, owner, group, and others. For example, read mode can be read by the user, by the group, by the others. But when it comes to write, which is 2, is highlighting like here, like tick, is a green sign, which means like user can write something to it, but group cannot, others cannot. So when it comes to execute file in this 644 Gmod commands, no one can access, can execute the file actually. And now, which means extra credit also done. Now that's it. There's the Linux command, and I'm not sure if I can continue doing this kind of video. I was doing it because it was a requirement by our university operating systems, and that's it for today. Thank you everyone, and see you soon.